Hello, how y'all doing? How y'all family doing? Today I will be teaching you guys how to make watercolor art. Before I start this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. For that being said, let's start the video. You're doing the video, you will need a cotton swab. You will also need two paper, one to draw the heart, and you will need a scissor to cut it, and you will need a watercolor paint. This is my water that I will be using. Yeah, let's start the video. To cut it with a scissor. Even though it's not perfect, but yeah, I try my best. Even though it's not perfect, but yeah, I try my best. This is how it looks like. It's not really perfect, but I try. I'm done cutting all of the heart and stuff. So now I'm going to glue them with the glue stick. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to use the watercolor paint, and I will be using the cotton swab. I'll be putting it in the water and dip it in the watercolor paint. final look. This is how it looks like. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.